How to contact EasyParcel Support Team. EasyParcel's customer support team provides full assistance online. If you have any questions, fill up the contact form by selecting the topic related to your enquiry. How to fill up contact form? Go to our Contact Us webpage and select the type of enquiry you need. Step 2. Fill in all the details and attach any relevant documents or images for reference. Click Submit now once completed. Your inquiry has been successfully received. Click OK and wait for the customer support team to get back to you. Remember to check your email. Or you can reach out via live chat. How to contact via live chat? Step 1. Visit easyparcel.com and select the chat button on the bottom right of the webpage. Step 2. Select the topic that's relevant to your inquiry. General customer support. Step 3. Write and send your inquiry, and a customer support agent will reach back to assist you momentarily. Need help? Contact EasyParcel now.